Out of sight, out of mind. How do we use this to supersize and grow our business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Some people need all kinds of blinders and things to keep them from being distracted, as my first grade granddaughter reminded me today. We're having a sleepover and she's like, out of sight, out of mind. What does that mean? She goes, that might be kind of good because in school you wouldn't get distracted. I'm like, that's a perfect example. Well, out of sight, out of mind's been around since it actually first appeared in John Haywood's write-up of Proverbs and idioms in 1546, but that meant it had been around for probably hundreds of years before it showed up in that compilation of Proverbs and idioms. It means that when something is out of our view, not near us, we're not thinking about it. It's easily forgotten because there's no reminder of it. So it's true of relationships, it's true of problems, it's true of challenges, it's true of everything. At least in my experience, things that aren't right in front of our face. I actually have used out of sight, out of mind to make things work out in my favor. And we can also use it to not be necessarily in our favor. The sister proverb that came soon after this one is absence makes the heart grow fonder. I guess people thought this one's kind of negative, so we need something to remind us that love is important. So how can we use out of sight, out of mind to grow and build and supersize our business? Well, number one, we can remember that what we measure matters. What we pay attention to, which would be number two, our attention grows based on what we focus on, what we look at, what we pay attention to, what is in our line of sight. We measure things that matter because we're paying attention to them. One thing I used to like to tell my kids is, in life, showing up is 80% of what you need to do in order to be open and available when opportunities arise to do things and to have success in area or aspect of your life is 80% of showing up. So when we show up, we've already made and taken the biggest step and action in order to achieve and grow and build and supersize our business and do what we want. Visibility is important. Are we consistently showing up in the eyes of the people that we're here to serve? Are we available and consistently showing up for the people that are helping us build and supersize and grow our business? We notice details when we're serving people and paying attention to them. We notice the details and the things that are important to them, and we provide those to them, things that other people might not even notice because they're out of sight, out of mind to them. Our intention matters when it comes to serving people and building our business and supersizing our business. So question today, is out of sight, out of mind true for you? Is it something that works for you? When I have a bad situation or a negative situation, or I'm struggling with something, I will put it aside, thus the blinders or the glasses, and not look at it because I don't want to deal with it at a certain time. Then I will take it out of its out of sight, out of mind status when I need to deal with the situation or pay attention to it. So share in the comments below, are you out of sight, out of mind? I'm being handed fabric by my granddaughter. Are things out of sight, out of mind in a way that benefits you, or that you're just missing and not paying attention to things that you might need to pay attention to? That's it. Have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow. Have a super size Monday, and let me know if I can help you in any way.